My name is Yajie Wang. I joined the Westlake University in the fall of 2021 and established research team for synthetic biology and protein engineering. We strive to synthesize value-added compounds by using engineered enzymes and modified microbes in a more sustainable and green ways. I'm in Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering program under the School of Engineering. CBE is a new program, and the mission of CBE is to integrate the fundamental science of chemistry, biology, mathematics, and physics with engineering disciplines like material science, computer science, mechanical, and electrical engineering to provide key solutions towards a healthier, cleaner, and more sustainable world. Meanwhile, I'm one of the core PIs of Synthetic Biology and Biomanufacturing Center. WangSynbio aims to use synthetic biology strategies to solve fundamental science questions. Westlake University cares about female students, researchers, and faculties. The university provides extra support to the development of female engineers and scientists. Westlake Education Foundation established a special program called Westlake Women in Science to encourage more women to pursue their careers in scientific research and to call for social support for women scientists at Westlake University. Thus, we have specific prizes, fellowships, research funds, and seminars to support female scientists and engineers to achieve their research goals. In engineering school, we formed a community club called We Women. We listen and understand the struggles and the needs from the female students, postdoc, researchers, and faculties, and then try to seek for solutions and changes. In a word, we build love, fight for rights, and seek growth together.